Tired of stubborn dirt, grease, and stains? Meet the portable handheld steam cleaner, your powerful cleaning companion. Using high temperature, high pressure steam, this compact machine easily cuts through grease, grime, and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals. Simply fill the water tank, power it on, and the steam do the hard work with multiple attachments included. It's perfect for cleaning kitchen stoves, bathroom tiles, grout lines, windows, car interior, and much more. The flexible hose and ergonomic handle make it easy to reach tight space and difficult corners. Not only does it clean effectively, but it also helps sanitize surfaces, leaving your home fresher and healthier. Whether you are talking everyday messes or deep cleaning through stains, this portable steam cleaner delivers professional level results right at home.